Hi guys, Ash here from Travel Frenzy. So we are here today on Cloud 22, which some of you will be looking forward to. So yeah, just showing you guys a little bit around the place, just showing you guys what's there on offer, just to show you a little bit about the place itself. You've got toilets right there, and a little bit of eating area there. The whole pool itself, the way it's currently working on the pricing structure is, if you would like the front beds there, you have to pay 4,000 AED with one of the cabanas. So you get the cabana, the little pools there, and the bed itself. The next row of beds, which is just there, is 1,750, which is there. So it's 1,750 AED, and you get a bottle of champagne with that. You get a bottle of champagne and a fruit basket with that one and the cabana. And just on the individual beds here, it's 300 AED per person, and that 300 AED allows you to use the pool. 300 AED is also redeemable on drinks and food at the bar on Cloud 22 itself. So Cloud 22 itself opens at 10 AM and is open till 7 PM every day. I would advise to pre-book. We did pre-book it, and it's only available for Atlantis, the royal guests. So even though you're a guest here, you have to pre-book this because it goes out real quick. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.